Okay, today the topic, the business scenario is we are going to see how to do the planning using safety stock. So you can also say safety stock based plan to procure. Okay. So the first thing what we need is planning parameters. For the product, we have to have planning parameters. Okay. So first of all, let us create a new product. That way you're not going to be confused. So take me to SAP Easy Access, please. Click on SAP icon all the way down. You have SAP right here. Okay. So on this screen, use MM01 to create a material. MM01. That's not 0, 1. Enter. So it's going to be a mechanical engineering. So we can copy from, I do have a material. That material is 7. So this module is PP, production planning, we are producing. So there is a question about which module. This module is production planning, PP, production planning. So type 7096, hit enter. So it's a mechanical engineering finished product. Okay. Now you remove that number 70 because that's not the number what I want. I want to copy from that number. So take that number and type it at a copy from field. There is a field copy from. No, that's not the copy from. You need to leave that field, come down. You see another field, copy from material. So you are going to copy from a material which is already there, 7096. And you can give a name to the material. Okay, no problem. That's fine. That's fine. You click on select all and click on org levels, organization levels. Yeah, that's going to be 3000. We are going to copy from 3000. That's correct. 3000 That's also correct. Sales organization is 3000. Distribution channel is 10. Please type sales organization 3000. Sales organization 3000 right here. Type 3000. Distribution channel 10. Type the same thing on the other side too, right here. Do the same thing. So the advantage of copying is you're not going to worry about the fields. The fields are going to be copied from the material 7096. Okay. Hit enter. Okay. So the new material what you are going to create right now is internally generated material number. The material number is internally generated already 7744. That's the material number. So it's not a custom tablet. So remove that and put instead of custom table. I mean instead of tablet, you can put smartphone. This is a smartphone. Okay, we are making a smartphone. So all you need to do is keep clicking on the tick mark on top. So go from one screen to another screen. Click, click, click. Click on the next screen. No, right here. Next screen is this one. Okay. Click on a tick mark on top. Okay. Keep doing it, please. So the advantage is you do not have to type anything. Everything is copied because we are copying from the material 7744. Click, 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 click. Yeah, when you come here in MRP, so this is where you need to keep an eye because these are all the planning parameters. So over here, do you see MRP type? Yes, there is MRP type. Okay. So change that MRP type PD to manual reorder point. Go to PD, go to drop down, select VB. VB is a manual reorder point. See, manual reorder points. So VB is the MRP types. There are many MRP types. Okay, material requirement planning types. You must have seen in the drop down. There are a whole bunch of them. So far we used PD, P as Peter, D as David, and this is VB. The meaning of VB is manual reorder point. Okay, so you need to give what would be the reorder point. So at what point you are going to give reorder. Okay, so there are 3 MRP procedures. You see the MRP procedure on top. There are 3 procedures. One is MPS. MPS is master production scheduling. Second one is called MRP, material requirement planning. Third one is called consumption based planning. Again, in each of these you have types. For example, you have VB, you have PD, P1, P2. Okay. So if you click on the tick mark, it's going to ask you what would be the reorder point. Click on that, please. See, specify, since it is a reorder point based planning, you need to tell him what would be your reorder point. So let's say 15, 1.5, the stock is less than 1.5, it should do the reorder of the material. Okay. So click on the tick mark to go to the MRP2. Okay. So you are going to procure it. Why? Because it says F. F means procure. Okay. So now it's going to ask you the safety stock. So if you click on tick mark, it's going to ask you the safety stock. It didn't ask you. Okay, no problem. Hold on. Okay, so you put everything there. Okay, so and click on MRP2. You are in MRP3, MRP2. In MRP2, you don't have where is the safety stock? Yeah, safety stock. You put a safety stock equal to your reorder point, which is 1.5. Okay. So now click on the tick mark to go to the next page. Okay. So this is all good. And again, click on the tick mark. Okay. Keep doing till you complete that. Yep. Keep doing. Okay. Next. 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 Save. Okay, let us go to stock requirement list MD04. MD04. You need to put the plant. Your plant is 3000. Enter. What does it say? Material 7744. Your material is not 4445. 44. Okay, enter. Okay, so you see a stock of minus 15. Why is that? Because you are supposed to have minimum stock of 15. Safety stock is supposed to be 15. Since you do not have that, the system is going to make sure to keep that safety stock for you whenever you run MRP. When you run MRP, the system is going to take care of that. Okay, open another session for me. Open new session and let us run MRP MD03. MD03. Why 03? Why not 02? Because we don't have any BOM. We are just only trying to plan one particular component, 7744. There is no BOM. We haven't created a BOM, and it doesn't have to go through multiple levels, right? So that's the reason. So single item, single level. That's it. So go ahead and change create purchase. The second one should be number 3, right? We need planned orders. Number 3. Okay. And everything else is correct. Okay. Hit enter. Yeah. It's just a warning message. You can hit again. It's going to run MRP and go ahead and save it. Okay. So you have another session. Go there and take a look at your session, MD04 session. This one. Okay. So this is the scenario before you run MRP. So you ran MRP. Now try to refresh it. Refresh. Okay, you see that because of your safety stock, you have a planned order. Okay, double click on the planned order. Convert it into PRIC, purchase requisition. Go ahead and default the storage location where you want to receive it, 0088. This is the storage location. You need to default that. And go ahead and put your purchasing organization, 3000. Go ahead and put your vendor number, 3005. And hit enter and save it. Enter again and save it. So now refresh it. That will become PRIC, purchase requisition. Okay. So go to other session and try to release this purchase requisition. You have another session here. There is a spare session right here. Go here and here you release it. /n ME55 is the transaction to release. 55 is the release. So your release code is OR, Oscar and Robert. Okay. And your release group is RV, Robert Victor. Go ahead and execute. the round thingy. Select all, select and save it. It's released. Now go back to your MD04 screen. You have a session MD04. Go there and double click on your purchase requisition and make it purchase order, purchasing order. Okay. Change company code to 3000. It's not 1000. 1000 is in Germany. Our plant is 3000, which is in New York. And also the plant hamburger, that hamburger is in Germany. Change it to 3000. Somebody defaulted. Every time it is popping up. Okay. Now what you need to do is, you see that PBXX, the red one, the price, gross price, over there, put some value. Amount, put some value. Okay. And hold the period, this one, and drag it and drop it in the shopping cart. There you go. Okay, we have, for some reason, we didn't do a good job. Go back and come again. Go back, green arrow back. Do not save it. No saving. Okay, repeat. Double click on the purchase requisition. So first hold it and drag it and drop. Then after that you can change that. Hold the P-rig, drag it, drop it. You good? Okay. Now you can fix them. How do you fix them? First fix the plant. Right here you can fix the plant. Right? Fix it. 3000. And you can go to header and fix the organization too. Right here. See this header? It's already fixed. Okay, it's fixed. Okay, so both are fixed. Let's go and take a look at this. Still it has got some issues. Okay, this is the issue. The price. There's no price. Put some price there. Enter. See that? Everything is fine now. There is no issues. Go ahead and save it. Then you'll get a PO. Refresh it. Okay. So your PO is 25769. Okay. Go to the other session. You have another session. Here you do the MIGO, goods receipt. /n. You have to have /n. /n. MIGO. Very good. That's all good. Put your number 45000257996. 3 zeros only. The PO always have 3 zeros, not 4 zeros. 25 4 4 5 4 5 0 0 0. No sir. It's 4 5 7 9. Okay, that's the number. Enter. So maybe I told you wrong number. Let's double check here. 76769. It is 769, not 7. 76769. Yep. Enter. Okay. Go ahead and save it. Very good. So you go back to your MD04 and try to refresh it. You see that? So you always have stock now 15, and since safety stock requirement is 15, so it is always going to keep that 15 as a buffer stock. So the remaining stock is 0. So what you have is only just safety stock. Earlier you were not even having safety stock, so you did the planning for the safety stock. Okay, so that's called plan to procure. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to make I'll stop this